Hey everyone, this is TJ Askew and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over a few things that I think are really cool in iOS 13 and that I think will be really useful for all of you watching this video today. Now this is not necessarily a full list of all the features that came out with iOS 13, but it is a list of the things that I think everyday users could benefit from. So let's check out the video right now. So this list is pretty simple. There are 3 different things that I would love to share with you about as far as iOS 13 goes. We're already on iOS 13.1.1. Just so you know, there's always going to be little bugs and things when a new software comes out, and Apple is really good at making sure that they have constant fixes for the things that users tell them are wrong. So always make sure that your device is up to date and you'll have the best software that you can get. Feature number 1 is, of course, dark mode. This is something that has been talked a whole lot about leading up to iOS 13. It's something that iPhone users have been wanting for quite some time, and Apple has finally given it to us. I'll show you how to get it set up right now. All you have to do is go into the Settings app on your phone and scroll down past General, and you'll go to Display and Brightness. There's a choice between light mode and, of course, dark mode. You could also set it to automatically switch depending on the ambient light or the time of day, but it's just super simple to set up in the settings. You can also have your control center be able to control whether or not it's in light or dark mode. So I think that's going to be the way that I control it from here on out. Dark mode is one of my favorite features on iOS 13 simply because the way it looks. It's not only easier on the eyes at night, but it's a great thing for those of you who like a little bit more of a sleek tech look for your device, and I always have my phone in dark mode even during the day. The second feature that I'd like to tell you about is the Swype Keyboard. Some of you have used third-party applications like Swype Board. There are tons of different third-party keyboards that you would be able to set up using your iPhone settings, but you'd have to cycle through different keyboards to be able to use them. Now, swiping to type is a native feature right within your iPhone's keyboard. All you have to do is use your thumb or index finger and stop and pivot at each of the different letters that you'd like to use. For some people, they really love it. Some people can't stand it, but it is a feature that is now available in iOS 13. Let's take a look at how the Swype Keyboard works right now. So this is what the Swype Keyboard looks like as far as writing words. You just basically stop on the letter that you want to use, and that's how it knows which letter to type. You have to go over each of the letters in the word, and you lift your finger for spaces. Still got to double tap the space bar for a period to start a new sentence. Now, one of the features that had been talked about for the iPhone 11 or the iPhone 11 Pro was the use of their new chip that allows the share sheet and AirDrop to be even more intuitive. There is even a feature where you can point your phone at another iPhone 11 or iPhone 11 Pro, and it kind of makes that user prominent in the share sheet for when you're trying to share photos or videos or documents with someone nearby. But even in phones that aren't the iPhone 11, whether it's the iPhone 10 or the iPhone XS, there's a cool new layout for the share sheet that I'd like to show you right now. So as you can see here, whether it's a note or a photo or a video, of course you press the little share button up in the top right here. And as you can see, there's a bunch of different ways you can share to people that are in your recent contacts. You can use different applications and put it into use on those. And of course, as you can see here, as you scroll down, you can copy, add other people. You can pin this note so you can pin it for later reference. You can lock it. There's probably going to be some different options here depending on what type of file you're looking to share. But you can mark it up. You can save it as a PDF. You can open it in Photoshop Express, save your files in iCloud. So there's just a lot of great things that you can use on here, and you can even edit the actions down here at the bottom. If there's anything you do or don't want to see, you can just put it right in there. Pretty awesome. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of other features. You can even make a note into a PDF. The share sheet is just upgraded in so many ways. It's not something that's going to get a lot of press, or it's not going to be one of the most sexy features, but I really think it's something that will be useful, and I hope you get a lot of utility out of this tip. So there you have it, just a few quick features that I think you will really benefit from in iOS 13. If you haven't already updated, all you have to do is go to the Settings app, General, and Software Update to make sure that you have the latest iOS version on your phone as well. And play around with some of the different features, because iOS 13 is chock full of all these different things to make your life easier. And of course, Apple is always coming out with fixes like I mentioned earlier, so you never have to worry about something not working. If it's not functioning exactly correctly at the moment, Apple will be sure to fix it in no time. If you liked today's video, please make sure you hit the like button. Also consider subscribing for more tech tip videos just like this one, where I share with you some of the different things that I think you can get a lot of use out of here on our channel. There will be tech tip videos, some reviews, or just some lifestyle and vlog type stuff here on my channel, but I hope you'll come along for this journey with me, and I can't wait to keep making some more videos for all of you guys out there. Until next time, this is TJ Askew, signing off.